How to add zoom effect in Capcut using PC. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add zoom effect in Capcut. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your Capcut. And from the media, kindly import the video you want to edit. And to do that, all you need to do is to drag the video to the bottom. And after that, you will now see the video that you are going to edit. I will just expand that to see the length and detail of the video. And so to add a zoom effect in Capcut, the first thing that you need to do is to click on the main video. And by doing so, on the menu, just click the video. Under that, proceed to the basic, in which you can see it, the position and size. And to start adding a zoom effect, just click the diamond shape on the position and size, in which, as you can see here, that is the part of the video where the zoom effect will start. And so I'm gonna choose on where part of the video does the zoom effect will end. After choosing it, kindly click again the diamond shape on the position and size. And after that, you can adjust the scale or size of the video by dragging on its corner or by simply adjusting the scale. Move the scale to the right to make the video zoom in, and to the left to make the video zoom out. And after choosing your desired zoom effect, you can check the video by proceeding on the start to check the zoom effect that we just add on our video. So this is the part where the zoom effect takes place. And as you can see, as the video is still going, the more the video becomes zoom in. So that means we successfully add a zoom effect in our main video. So that's it. If you wanted to know how to add zoom effect in Capcut using PC, that is just how to do it. If you think this video was helpful, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and see you on our next video.